Has the stock market totally beat up your retirement fund this year? Is your future not looking too rosy right now? I get it. It's been a rough few years for most of us. Today, I'm giving you 4 steps to get your investments back on track with options. I was in the same spot as you back in 2001 as I watched my retirement fund just get decimated, going down over 50%. My stockbroker told me, just hang in there. Everything will come back to even again. And you know what? He was right. What he didn't tell me is it would take almost 15 years for it to get back to even. So when I saw a similar pattern start to happen in 2009, I said, enough is enough. I fired my broker who had been my friend of 30 plus years. What I know now is he never had my best interest at heart. He was a salesman. He was working on commissions. The more he traded my account, the higher his commissions were. And what really broke my heart is when I learned he was pushing me to trade stocks where he and his company earn even higher than normal commission rates. He really didn't care about those positions and what they were doing to my account. But I saw the light. I knew I still wanted to build a good retirement fund. I knew I still loved numbers. I also knew I was willing to take some risks for higher rewards. So what I did was go out and get me some education. I attended seminars and workshops all over the country. I wanted to be able to trade for myself. I also knew I didn't want to rely on others to break or make me. I would bet my last dollar or even my last $1 million that many of you are in the same position today. So let me share with you my years of experience. I want to see you get started right and go where you desire fast. What I'm sharing with you right now is a checklist of things you'll want to learn or at least be familiar with before you go taking your trading into your own hands. Guys, this list assumes you know nothing right now except you've heard there is a stock market out there. You need to understand the risk of trading in the stock market and how to minimize it. That's step 1. Everything we do in life has risk. Some are low risk, some are high risk. No matter what level risk you're taking, you always need to do 2 steps. Get educated and get the best equipment. That's exactly what I did when I took up skydiving at 75. I understood the risk and I took steps to minimize it. So let's build the checklist to get you started trading and trading well. I already told you step 1, know what you're facing. What are the risks? Well, step 2 is to trade the market. It is necessary to understand how it's structured. That's easy. Step 3 is once you understand the structure, your next step is choosing a great trading platform with lots of functionality. I'll give you a big hint. It's not the one we're seeing that's being currently advertised on national TV. 4 is once you've got your platform set up with all the necessary rights, you have to set up your charting to be most efficient and effective. The old E&E factors. Mechanics out of the way, you're ready to delve into trading. Almost. You still have a lot to learn and some decisions to make. Do you trade stocks or bonds, mutual funds or ETFs? What about trading options or future or maybe even Forex? It's a big world out there. So now you're in a whole new learning curve with a new checklist. My advice, number 5, start with options. Your next steps are to understand puts and calls. What are the various elements of option trading and how to set up those trades? I get at this point you may be feeling totally overwhelmed. How will I ever get through this? I have a solution for you. I just gave you a checklist of steps to take. Now let's put that checklist into action. I have a comprehensive and inexpensive course to get your feet wet. Then you'll have a much better idea about trading in the stock market and if it's the right vehicle to build your own wealth. For just $24.95, you'll be able to check off every item on your list with our options blueprint. That's 4 videos which include handouts and step-by-step instructions and homework. What a great start. At the end, you will have built a strong support for your future. Guys, at Investing Buddy, our goal is that you become a thinking trader, able to generate great income for your family and for your retirement. Just click below to get started. And thank you.